Good morning, student. Myself, Care Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 10 subject SST Geography chapter first, Resource and Development. Here we will know about the measures to conserve the land resources. So land resource can be measured to the different types of how we have been conserve the land resources. So degradation of land can be prevented by taking following measures. We can stop the degradation of land in the following actions can must be taken. Afforestation, more and more plant must be grow. Proper management of grazing, stabilization of sand dunes by plantation of thorny bushes. If any area have been grazed by the cattle, thereafter different types of other plant must be introduced in that particular area. Proper management of wasteland. If the wasteland have been not properly managed, thereafter different types of things must be create big problem of the particular land. Proper irrigation method must be used to stop the conservation of the land. By proper harvesting, the proper harvesting method must be used to stop the land degradation. Control over mining activities must be controlled. It will be uh, the mining activities can do only those stage where it is not a explosive or harmful contents can be damaged. Proper management of land after completion of mining work. If the proper management can not do thereafter the mining work have been completed, thereafter it will create a big problem. So it must be done. Discharge of industrial waste and effluents only after proper treatment. If industrial waste can be discharged without any types of treatment, any types of cleanness, thereafter it will create a big problem. Plantation of tree along the roadsides. Plantation of tree along the roadside must be create good environment, and it will reduce the pollution level, and the people those are moving in that particular area, they must also enjoy in the particular movement from one place to another. So planting more and more must be reduces the different types of harmful things by preventing deforestation. It is very important thing. Deforestation means destroy the forest or the plants. So if anyone can be destroy the plants or forest, thereafter it must be reduces the oxygen level, and it will be uh, damage the nature, as well as human also have been affected. Thereafter, soil as a resource. Soil is a very important resources. Those have been given by the nature. It is a natural resources, and soil is the most important renewable natural resources. The soil is very important renewable natural resources. The uppermost layer of the earth crust, which is loose, fragmented, and useful for plant, is called soil. The uppermost layer of the earth crust, which is loose, fragmented, and useful for plant, is called soil. So soil is very important for the plant. If soil is not present, and soil cannot give the proper cover up to the plant cannot be grow. And soil have been different types of nutrients, and that nutrients have been mixed with water to provide the nourishment of the plants, and plant can be grow easily. Thereafter, soil formation. The factor that contribute to the formation and fertility of the soil are parents, rock, climate, plant, animal, and local topography. So different types of factor have been also helpful for the soil, and that have been coming from different types of rocks, climatic support, and plant, animal, local topography. The soil are made out of rocks. Different types of rock have been uh, When break up, thereafter it will be form make a soil. The rock disintegrate and decompose under the process of weathering and erosion. When the rock can be decompose and disintegrate and break up into different parts, it is called weathering and erosion. Okay, thank you very much.